Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar yen monthly, like I've been saying, we have two options here. Option number one is this move down is a correction to this last 5 waves up. If that's the case, then this will make an ABC correction and continue the uptrend. Option number two is this really is the end of a wave 5, and this is going to make a 1, 2, 3. Notice that it's exactly the same until you get to the third wave, which is impulsive, corrective, impulsive. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. I have it labeled as an ABC right here, so ABC, but it could possibly still be a 1, 2, 3. Wave B and Wave 2 is exactly the same trading strategy, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames. So, as I always say, it's definitely not important to know the difference yet until we get into either the Wave 3 or the Wave C. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is the bottom of a wave A or possibly a wave 1. I think this is impulsive up, which is actually 3 waves up right there if you'll notice. 1, 2, 3, which is a big clue. And then this is likely 1, 2, 3 waves down. That means that this is likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up to probably at least a 161 and 178% Fibonacci extension for an expanding flat. Because this is a lower low right here, that's a big clue, and the fact that it's 3 waves up, 3 waves down is another big clue for anybody that studies Elliot wave. So likely this is an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, which is an expanding flat. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, trend is definitely still up. I mean, my last structure is right here, so the trend is still up. I think that this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I still think this is a 3 until we have a break of structure. And even if it does break structure, it's probably just going to be a wave 4 and a wave 5 like I showed on the higher time frames. But until it actually breaks structure, we don't even know that the wave 3 is over, and my target is still quite a ways up, so this easily could be another ABC correction to the uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So it does definitely look like it wants to go down again, I will admit that, but I still think there's a good chance it could be like a wave A, could be like a wave B, and even if it does go down, it's probably a wave C as long as it doesn't break structure. I personally am ignoring all moves to the downside, meaning that I'm not going to go short, but instead I'll patiently wait for the higher probability, higher likelihood to be a profitable trade, which is the end of a correction, end of a 3-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I trade about 24 to 26 pairs, so that for me personally, as a swing trader, there is no need to counter trend trade, but instead I just look to go long at the end of every single pullback I see until the higher roadmap timeframes tell me this move is over, which they definitely have not done yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.